we are going to replace this single pole switch, actually it's a three-way switch, with an Iotty smart switch. There's the unit itself, there's the faceplate. So let's take this switch off real quick. Hopefully you can see decent. So what we're going to do is figure out which one's the power. Alright, so we got our power over here. So let's take that guy off real quick. And try not to get zapped in the process. So let's get you off. We'll put a wire nut on there so we don't get shocked. Alright, we'll take off the other ones now. So one of these runners you'll cap off and not use it. So we'll just leave him out of the way for now. Let's get the ground off. Also, on this switch, you won't be using a ground wire, so let's just tuck that guy back in the box. Here's what you have on the back of this. You have your line, a neutral, and you have RL1, and you've got two of those wires. So you're going to hook the white to your neutral. So let's pull that sucker out. You'll hook it in with the rest of the whites. And then let's also hope and pray that the customer doesn't walk in and slam me with this door while I'm trying to show you this. Okay. So now we have the neutral hooked up. We're going to take the line, if you can see that, the L. We're going to take the L and one of the RL1s together, and we're going to hook that to the power. You're going to hook both of these wires up to the power. Once you make that connection, the switch comes on. You'll hook your remaining wire up to the runner. Let's just make sure I hooked it up to the right runner. Here's your switch, and the light is on. So we did hook it up to the right runner. Once you get all that in, tuck everything back into the box the best you can. They used a deep box on this one, so thank you whoever installed that. Blue light goes towards the bottom. So we'll just mount this unit. One more thing to take into account. Once you get this mounted and you put the faceplate on, it's not going to work. So don't freak out, because you need to go to the breaker and cut off power. You go to the breaker, cut off the power, and once you put the power back on, the sensor will adjust to the plate and then it'll work just fine. And then the plate just snaps on just like that. See, doesn't work right now. Cut the power of the breaker, flip it back on, and it'll adjust to the plate and it'll work just fine. You can do it.